how to activate your SimpleLab test kit. I'm going to walk you through the 3 simple steps on activating your SimpleLab test kit, beginning with registration, moving into sample information, and then completing and shipping your sample. This is an update to the process, so follow along closely if you are activating a SimpleLab test kit. First thing you'll need to do is locate the 6-digit or 6 alphanumeric character test ID. In my case, I'm going to be using a test ID 74HGGX. Enter that in here. You'll notice that the user interface has changed a little bit. Click continue. Next thing I will do is, as a member of a team or as an individual, I will sign in. Grab my sign in credentials here. You can also, if you choose, sign in as a guest, continue as a guest. This button is down here, in which case you'll just have to monitor your email closely because that is where all notifications and updates will be sent, including the lab results. Sign in. All right, so this happens to be a time-sensitive sample. See a little bit of a notification here. Step 1 here, test and report access. I see my demo company, test company 2346. This test was purchased through this company. A little bit of information, who should receive updates about the testing results. This is, let's say, just for me. See my email address there. This is a testing email address, test customer 60137. Click continue. On the next screen, you will see the sample information process. Now, you do not want to continue with activation and sample information unless you're ready and able to collect and ship the sample. So generally speaking, you want to begin this process, proceed through this process, activation and sample information on the same day that you're planning to collect the sample and ship it in. There's exceptions to that rule, but they're few and far between. Most of the time, if you're ready to sample and ship your sample, this is when you want to be going through this process of activation and sample information. So I'll choose a date and a time. As I fill these out, you'll see the bar up top. Move towards completion. Put a name. I'll put an address. Sample location. Now some of these fields will differ if it's a water sample, an air sample, a mold sample. Assume this is a water sample. Maybe we're uploading a photo, putting a random photo there. Free sponsorship for Brita. A water source. This is coming from a private well. Demonstration, whether the water was treated or not. It's an untreated sample, or was there a filtration system installed? Again, these questions will vary depending on what you're testing for, what the matrix is. You might see 1 bottle here, 3 bottles here. And this is a change from the prior version. For each individual bottle, you will mark down its corresponding sample collection method. So if you have 3 bottles, you'll see 3 lines here that all need to be completed. First draw for this bottle, fully flushed for the next bottle. Again, this is for a drinking water sample. It might be different for an air sample, mold sample, food sample. Now you may want to answer some questions about the sample. Again, this is just to help the lab team and yourself later kind of understand what you were sampling, why you were sampling. You'll see here I'm at 100%, which means for this particular sample, I have completed the sample information. I'm gonna hit continue. See a confirmation note where you can double check everything. You make edits if you'd like, or if everything looks correct, you'll hit continue. And at this point, you are ready to complete and ship your sample. So using the provided shipping label, bring that sample, drop it off normally at FedEx. It'll be sent to the lab. You'll receive notifications at your email address, and eventually lab results will be available on your dashboard. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below or send us an email, hello@gosimpelab.com. Go to our website. To activate is gosimpelab.com/activate. If you have any other questions about activation, sample information, please reach out. We're always standing by and happy to help. Thank you.